Talking about picnic, are you ready to go on a picnic?
Oh, perfect picnic, buddy.
Blue is here, and Blue is ready.
Hi, fellow foodies. I'm Kazi, along with Chef Jason, and you are watching How to Foodie Nation, the show that teaches you all the tips and tricks about Trinbagonian cooking. Today, Chef is going to teach us all about 3 essential, classic Trinbagonian spreads: tuna, chicken, and cheese. So let's get mixing.
Kazi,
Yes.
cheese base. Favorite of mine, favorite of many. Alright, let's just started on this. Some shredded cheese inside here.
Right in there.
So you just shred this earlier on, and this is so easy to make for, like, you know, the kids, especially if they're going back to school, picnics. You're going on a little
Family outing.
Lime or
You're
whatever.
going to the beach.
cheese base sandwich is the thing to roll with. You're going with some carrots inside here, a little bit of color inside here, and it's a great way to actually get the kids to eat a little bit of veg.
Veggies.
So you want to mix it up inside there just like that. Secondly, mustard. It brings a little bit of creaminess, a little bit of tartness also to the cheese.
A little tang there.
A little tang, you know, the thing sounds good. So you could use Dijon mustard, or you could just use the traditional mustard that I am accustomed with here.
Okay.
Some a little bit of onions, a little different, but a little crunch is nice.
So are there any other veggies you could probably stick in there?
Oh, by all means, you could definitely add celery inside here.
Okay.
Works well. It's, pretty much anything that you like. I know people put raw garlic. It's,
Okay. You could get creative.
Get creative with it. A little bit of butter for spreadability, it helps. So that's just some softened butter.
Okay.
So just want to bring it in, and this brings it to the paste format. Alright, so we'll just keep on turning it up.
Let me give you a hand now.
Alright, great. So we're going with mayonnaise now.
Okay.
Mayonnaise is obviously the essential spread inside here. Helps to give it a little bit of a luscious feel.
Right.
To cheese paste. You need that when you're making a good cheese paste. And
Okay.
immediately you see what's going on. So give me the other spices one time.
Okay, what's this one?
That's oregano. So that's a little bit of green. You'll see some pepper sauce.
Yes.
And that's for a little bit of zing. If you're making it for kids, you could kindly omit it. But I know children these days, they like a little bit of heat in their, you know, their food. A little touch of salt and black pepper. Alright.
Yep.
And it's, I mean, pretty straightforward. I mean, this is something you could obviously make the night before you get up if you know you're rushing to go to work.
Quick, fast, and in a hurry.
You get 2 slices of bread, you put this together, and you have a beautiful cheese paste. As you can see, you get the little specks of the green from the oregano inside there. You get the little carrots. That's beautiful. Look at that.
All we're missing is the bread.
Let's do it. Second one, tuna.
Tuna.
On the fly. Canned tuna, we drained it out. So I'm going to put it inside here. Whatever type of tuna you choose to use, whether it be the oil or the one in the water,
Yeah.
it's fine by me. Just ensure that you get the water out by straining it.
Okay.
Then truss it. Some onions, we want to get some crunch inside here. I find that the onions give a little bit of a strong little crunch. Well, I mean crunch, but like a little sweetness inside there, but at the same time the rawness of the onions also provide a pleasing seasoning to the tuna.
Fresh flavor.
Fresh flavor. Speaking about that, chopped celery, so you get that great crunch and greenery inside there. I mean, tuna basically is fish, so
yeah.
at the same time you want to ensure that you get fresh seasonings inside it.
Okay.
Some fresh pimento peppers, and you just want to ensure that you mix it up like that.
What do we have here?
Paprika.
For that smoky goodness.
I love paprika. It's actually my favorite spice. Again, guys, play around with your spices. Oregano works inside here. You could put parsley. Play with it. Pepper sauce. Again, to kill a little bit of that freshness and give a little bit of zest in your life.
But if pepper is not for you,
Omit it.
you can leave it out.
You could also use fresh peppers. I just like to use pepper sauce because I find it integrates well.
Okay.
Mayo. You got to get that creaminess going on. So
This is the kind of guy who binds us together.
this is it. This is bind us together. This is the kind of stuff that works. And obviously you get that nice rich feeling of the spread. When making a good spread, mayonnaise is a key. I think so.
Yeah.
And whether you call it a tuna salad or a tuna spread, the mayo is so important. Give me a little bit of lemon juice there. Of course, again, this is for the freshness, so that's fine, perfect. And salt and black pepper, season it up.
Okay.
As you can see, it's nice and pasty. So you ensure that when you put this on your slices of bread, you're going to get a really good coverage, and that's important. And what you could do, I like to leave this in the chiller for a little while, maybe like for 5 minutes. Just
Yeah.
some flavors harmonize and marinate and
And
come
then
together.
melt together.
Correct, and look at that. How beautiful that is.
Okay. Ready for the sandwich.
We're ready for the sandwich.
All right, let's go.
Now, chicken paste is my favorite piece of them all.
Mine too.
Let's do it, right? So I just have some poached chicken inside here. You can just simmer it in some water with some salt, some black pepper, some fresh seasonings. If you have like a piece of rotisserie chicken from the day before,
Yeah.
strip it up, put it inside here. Turkey, you know, when you bake turkey and you have like that random piece of
Piece
breast.
that left over.
Strip it up.
Yeah.
Basically cooked chicken. That's all it is. Shallow belly goes inside.
Okay.
So we're seasoning it up again, so it has flavor. What I also like are some good chives.
Get it all
to
in.
get a nice freshness, and we also have celery in there.
Thank you.
So chop, because I like the crunch.
Okay.
Oregano, whatever flake or dry spice that you like, put it inside there. So I'm putting some oregano. You can put parsley powder by all means. We're going in with some mayonnaise.
To keep it together.
To keep it together. Now this gives you spreadability as mentioned before with all the other spreads that we did. And I think it works well. And it gives you that luscious feeling.
Okay.
So get that out. Beautiful.
Now we're coming together.
We're coming together. A little bit of pepper sauce. You need that zing. Remember, this is just poached or simmered chicken. So I mean, you need to season it up really nicely. Then we're going in with some black pepper. So you get that nice spice and salt for flavor.
Thank you, sir.
There you go. Mix
Chicken
that up.
base is so good, man.
You could,
so good.
and once you mix it up really nicely, you could put pimentos inside there also. I know people put sweet peppers. Jazz it up according to your fancy. Mix it up, and it's great chilled as a great chicken salad.
Yeah.
Take this to work. You have some veggies to the side. Works well. You can eat with snacks, little crackers, flatbreads. But we are going to be making sandwiches with it now.
Yum. Let's do it.
Well, you see, I created a smorgasbord here for you.
A full spread.
Cheese base, tuna base, chicken base. I'm going to do the last one here, live and direct.
Okay.
So basically, I just did the paste like that. Just put some on the bread like that. And keep your paste chill when not using it. So they, maintain a nice texture. You put that down like that. You want to make sure that it doesn't go straight to the edges because they tend to ooze out sometimes. If you like that vibe, put it, no problem. But I want to keep my sandwiches nice and clean. Push it down like that. You can slice them triangular or you can cut them straight down the center for variance. And that's important. So at least you know which one is cheese, which one is chicken.
Yes, we can distinguish.
And there you go. Beautiful. And you get the celery, the pimentos, and this is the tuna. So good stuff here. Lay that right down there.
Yep.
And on top there.
So now we have everything.
I think we're good for a picnic. We're good to go to the beach. We could go to the botanical gardens.
For
it doesn't
work,
matter.
for school.
Cool or excellent for school. You put it in the lunch kits and they stay well.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Tell us, guys, what's your favorite paste? Are you a cheese fan, a tuna fan, a chicken? What other paste could you have?
I mean, pretty much get, exploratory with this.
Get creative. I'm ready to taste.
I am ready to taste. So which one are you going in with?
Going in for cheese.
I'm going in with tuna because, yum. I feel like I'm back in standard too. And my mom used to make sandwiches for me and carry it in my lunch kit. I love this.
So you need to pack a lunch kit, to pack a picnic basket or something.
That's where with that. We could go on the line, go to the beach. Speaking about picnic. Oh, look who's here. Talking about picnic. Are you ready to go on a picnic?
Oh, perfect picnic buddy.
Blue is here. And Blue is ready.
So I think we have to pack up all of these and get going.
Cheese paste, tuna, or chicken? Which
Chicken.
one, Blue?
Guys, please let us know what's your favorite paste? What's your favorite spread? Are you a cheese person? Are you a tuna person? Are you chicken? Until next time, we're off to our picnic. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.